Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. This look is actually very easy. It just looks complicated because I do it the way I want it and with the materials I want to use. But you can just paint your face to do this look, which will make things easier. I just want to make it as realistic as possible. That's why I do it my way. But it's all up to you what you want to do. So I hope you can do this look in the future and have fun. So yes, this is pretty much the look. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Don't forget to support me by clicking like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. So once again, this is Shapeshifter Mua signing off. Bye-bye!